Welcome to Money Minds. Have you ever stopped to consider how your money could be making more money for you? It's a fascinating thought, isn't it? The idea that the money you've worked so hard to earn could in turn work for you. It's not a new concept, but it's one that's overlooked. In the world of finance, this is often referred to as the power of money. And it's a power that each of us holds. No matter the size of your savings, you have the potential to turn it into a source of income. It's a little like planting a seed. Given the right conditions, that seed will grow, and before you know it, you're not just looking at a single plant but an entire garden. The same principle applies to your money. Just like a garden requires care and attention, so too does your financial growth. It's about making strategic decisions and allowing your money the opportunity to. In essence, it's about getting your money to work for you. It's about transforming your savings into an employee that works around the clock, generating profits on your behalf. Now you might be wondering, how exactly does money make money? The first key player in the game of making money work for you is compound interest. Picture this. You're planting a seed in a fertile garden. With time and care, that seed grows into a tree. But here's the magic. This tree doesn't just bear fruit once. It does so year after year. That's the essence of compound interest. It's the growth upon growth, the fruit upon fruit, the interest upon interest. So, how does it work? It's pretty simple. Compound interest is the interest you earn on both your original money and on the interest you continually accumulate. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger and bigger with every roll. Let's break it down with a simple example. Suppose you invest $1,000 at an interest rate of 5% per year. At the end of the first year, you'll have $1,050. That's your initial investment plus 5% interest. Now here's where the magic happens. In the second year, you're not just earning interest on your initial $1,000. No, you're earning interest on the full $1,050 from the first year. So at the end of the second year, you'll have $1,102.50. And the process continues year after year, your money growing at an increasing rate. That's the power of compound interest. It's the force that allows your wealth to grow exponentially over time. It's the secret behind many of the world's most successful investors and the cornerstone of long-term financial planning. But remember, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Like that tree you've planted, compound interest needs time to grow. The longer you leave your money invested, the more time it has to work its magic. So, compound interest is one way your money can make more money, but it's not the only way. Another way to make your money work for you is through investments. Investments are like seeds that you plant today, nurturing them with patience and care to reap fruits tomorrow. Let's explore some of the options available. First, we have stocks. When you buy a company's stock, you buy a piece of that company, becoming a part owner. Stocks have the potential for high returns, but they come with their share of risks. The stock market can be volatile and prices can fluctuate. But over the long haul, stocks have historically provided substantial returns. Next up, bonds. Bonds are essentially loans you give to a company or the government. In return, they promise to pay you back with interest over a certain period. Bonds are generally considered safer than stocks, providing steady income, but they typically offer lower returns. Then, there's real estate. Buying a property to rent out can provide a regular income stream. Property values can also appreciate over time, leading to potential profit when sold. However, real estate requires significant upfront capital and can be illiquid, meaning it can be hard to sell quickly. And let's not forget about mutual funds and ETFs. These are baskets of different stocks or bonds, allowing you to diversify your investments. Diversification is a cardinal rule of investing. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket. This way, if one investment doesn't do well, others might make up for it. But it's not just about choosing the right investments. Timing is crucial too. As the saying goes, time in the market is better than timing the market. The longer you stay invested, the more potential your money has to grow. Investments are a powerful tool, but they require knowledge and understanding. So where can you start? Getting started with investments can seem daunting, but it's less complex than you might think. Let's break it down into some manageable steps. First off, knowledge is power. Before you invest a single dime, make it your mission to understand the investment landscape. That means getting familiar with various types of investments, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Each carries its own set of risks and rewards, and understanding these can help you make informed decisions. Secondly, you need a clear investment goal. Are you saving for retirement, your child's education, a new home, or maybe even a dream vacation? Having a clear goal will guide your investment decisions and help you determine the level of risk you're comfortable taking. Next, let's talk about your risk tolerance. It's important to understand that all investments carry some level of risk. However, typically, the higher the potential return, the higher the risk. It's crucial to assess your own risk tolerance, how much loss you can stomach, and invest accordingly. Now let's move on to diversification. Simply put, don't put all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across a variety of assets, you can potentially reduce risk and improve your chances of a steady return. Starting small is another key aspect. You don't need a fortune to start investing. Many investment platforms allow you to start with as little as $20. The important thing is to start somewhere, then gradually increase your investments as your comfort level and understanding grow. Finally, consider seeking advice from a financial advisor. They can provide valuable insight, help you develop a strategic investment plan, and guide you through the investing process. Remember, the goal is not to get rich quick, but to create a steady stream of income over time. And with patience, discipline, and a well-thought-out investment strategy, you'll be well on your way to making your money work for you. Now let's talk about another powerful way to make money work for you: passive income. Imagine having a stream of income that flows into your bank account, whether you're working, sleeping, or vacationing in the Bahamas. That's the magic of passive income. It's money earned with minimal activity on your part, allowing you to focus on other pursuits, or perhaps even retire earlier than you thought possible. One popular source of passive income is rental income. If you own property, whether it's a house, an apartment, or a piece of land, you can rent it out and enjoy the profits without having to put in much work. The rent checks keep coming in, month after month, year after year, like a steady river of money. Another form of passive income is dividends from investments. When you buy shares in a company, you become a part owner of that company. As a part owner, you're entitled to a share of the company's profits, which are often paid out as dividends. These dividends can be a significant source of income, especially if you've invested in several high-performing companies. Then there are royalties. If you've written a book, composed a song, or invented a product, you can earn royalties every time someone buys your book, plays your song, or uses your invention. These royalties can continue flowing in for years, long after the initial work has been done. But let me add a caveat here. Passive income doesn't mean no work. It often requires an upfront investment, either of time or money. Buying a property, investing in stocks, or creating something that earns royalties all require initial effort or capital. But once that's done, the income can be truly passive, requiring little to no further effort on your part. Passive income, when used wisely, can greatly enhance your financial stability and freedom. With it, you're not just earning money, you're making your money work for you. And that, my friends, is a game changer. So, we've discussed several ways your money can make more money for you. We've explored the power of compound interest, a magic trick that helps your money grow exponentially over time. We've dived into the world of investments, where you can put your money into ventures that can potentially yield high returns. We've also touched on the importance of passive income, a way to earn money even while you're sleeping or on vacation. These aren't just abstract concepts, but practical tools to increase your wealth. The key takeaway here is that your money shouldn't just sit idle in your bank account. Instead, it should be actively working for you, generating more income and growing in value. The world of finance might seem intimidating, but with the right knowledge and a bit of patience, anyone can turn their money into a powerful wealth-building tool. You don't need to be a Wall Street whiz or a millionaire to start. All you need is a willingness to learn and the determination to take that first step. It's time to take action and start making your money work for you. Remember, the journey to financial freedom begins with a single step. Thank you for sticking with us throughout this journey. We've learned a lot today, haven't we? We've explored the power of compound interest, the magic that can make your money multiply. We've ventured into the world of investments and discovered how it can potentially bring high returns. We've unlocked the secret of passive income, a method that keeps your money working for you round the clock. But knowledge is just the first step. The true magic happens when you put this knowledge into action. Remember, every great investor once started from zero. You don't need a fortune to start, but you do need to start to make a fortune. So don't wait for tomorrow, next week, or next year. The best time to start is now. And remember, you're not alone in this journey. We're here to guide you every step of the way. So if you found this video helpful and want to learn more about making your money work for you, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Join us on this exciting journey to financial freedom. Until next time, keep learning, keep investing, and keep making your money work for you.